Hello and welcome to the first lab of Gaut HLS tool. This video will help you to get started with our high-level synthesis tool and to get familiar with Gaut IDE. So we will use the lab 1 for this tutorial. Go to the Project Explorer pane where you can find the operator library and the 3 labs. Expand the first lab, expand source, and double-click on the .c file. This will open the file in the editor pane in order to view and edit the file. So as you can see, the example used here is a polynomial computation. It's a very simple example that will help you to get through the high-level synthesis steps. So first, we will build the projects. Click right on the projects in the Explorer pane and click on Build Projects. Otherwise, you can use the hammer in these graphic tools. So this will launch all the synthesis steps used by the Gaut high-level synthesis tool, and will output the generated files. Usually when we first use the tool, we can get some errors. Don't be afraid, just click on lab 1 again and build your projects again. Okay. So after the build is finished, you can see that you have some folders that have been generated. First, you can expand the debug folder to discover. You have some source, and here you can find all the dot folders for the CDFG, the data path, and the FSM, the pseudocode if you need to debug your architecture, and the SVG output for the scheduling. You can see that the directories in Gaut HLS tool are organized in a hierarchical way. So we have a hierarchical structure of the directories, the C++ projects containing, as you can see, the source file and the debug and release directories. And you have two other projects that are generated by the tool. The System C project containing all the source needed for System C execution, and also VHDL projects containing all the VHDL files. The project.settings file, configuration file generated during the first build, and double-click to open it, and you can see that it contains all the synthesis options that can be specified for high-level synthesis. For the global file and the specific ones for each function. As you can see, we have a polynomial function, and we retrieve here the polynomial function with its synthesis options. Okay, so in the next tutorials we will see in details the dot file generated, and in another one we will see again the setting files. Thank you.